1. I love you all, Lord. Nice pray. Psalm chapter 46, verse 1. Be still and know that I am God. Ephesians chapter 6, verse 2. Honor your father and mother. Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. John chapter 14, verse 6. I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. John chapter 4, verse 19. We love because He first loved me. Luke chapter 1, verse 47. And my spirit rejoices in God my Savior. Matthew chapter